The easiest fried rice recipe you'll ever find. Very simple and delicious. Let's get started. To my saucepan, I added in water, vegetable seasoning, salt. I then covered it and brought that to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I added in my washed rice, stir it, covered it, and let it cook until the rice was ready. You do not want to overcook the rice. At the end, you're going to fry it, so you don't want to overcook it. So once it is ready, transfer it into a different bowl and let it cool down completely, or let it cool down or slightly cool down before going in with the next step. So for the next step, all you have to do is to add oil to your saucepan or to your wok, and then add in your eggs. Wait until the eggs are ready before going in with your vegetables. So make sure you keep stirring it and then add in your vegetables. So I went in for carrots, cabbage, green chili pepper, red onion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and green bell pepper. So I'll stir it and let this cook for about 2 minutes more. You do not want to overcook the veggies, and then I'll add in the rice. So as you can tell from the video, my rice was one, it wasn't like together. So this is fried gizzard. I fried some gizzard, I cut it into smaller pieces, and then I added it to it. I added in vegetable seasoning, curry, not that much, curry and chili powder. So if you don't like chili powder, you can use black pepper instead of the chili powder. Go ahead and stir it. And lastly, I added in Maggi sauce. So basically that's it. It's very simple, it is easy. Go ahead and stir it and make sure everything is well combined. I ended up adding in more of the vegetables and I'm good to go. So the last ingredient was spring onion, and then I said to well combined, and this was ready, guys. It was delicious. Very simple but delicious. Very extremely delicious, and that's what you're looking for. So the next step that I'll show you here is totally optional. If you want, you can go ahead and eat your rice like that, but I went ahead to make some eggs, fried additional egg. I made sure I spread it all over the wok, and then once it was ready, I added in the rice and then I folded. It was very simple, but trust me, it was delicious. Just look at it, guys. Wow and wow. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, follow my page, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And then so that's a different way that I serve it, you know. Go ahead and serve it in your plate or make it the first one, and they are all nice as well. So guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.